Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make kefir with a starter culture. Making your own kefir at home is a rewarding process, offering a delicious and probiotic-rich beverage. We will walk through each step, from gathering your simple ingredients to enjoying your freshly made kefir. This method is straightforward and perfect for beginners, ensuring a consistent and tasty result every time. First, let's gather our essential supplies. You will need 1 liter of fresh milk. Whole milk often yields a creamier kefir. Next, secure 1 packet of direct-set kefir starter culture, which contains the necessary beneficial bacteria. Also, ensure you have a clean 1-liter glass jar and a non-metal spoon. Cleanliness is key to successful fermentation, so sterilize your jar if possible. Now, let's begin the fermentation process. Carefully pour your 1 liter of milk into the clean glass jar. Then, open your packet of direct-set kefir starter culture and add all of its contents directly into the milk. Stir the mixture gently with your non-metal spoon for about 30 seconds, ensuring the culture dissolves completely. Cover the jar loosely with a lid or cloth and let it sit at room temperature for 18 to 24 hours. After 18 to 24 hours, your kefir should be ready. It will have thickened and developed a distinct, tangy aroma. Give it a gentle stir, then pour your freshly made kefir into clean bottles or containers. Store your delicious homemade kefir in the refrigerator, where it will remain fresh and potent for up to 7 days. Enjoy this nutritious, probiotic-rich drink on its own or in smoothies.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.